kanina, mga kapwa ko Pilipino. At tuwa ako kanina while you're networking. Because that's the purpose of ISOG. Diba? Ano ba yung first E ng ISOG? Who knows here? The first E of ISOG is? The first E of ISOG, we're engaging. Diba? We're engaging a while ago. We shared, we're collaborating. Because, that's for a purpose. Because we're building our network. Because through that network, we're sharing talaga eh. Yun ang purpose ng ISOG eh. We engage, we establish, we equip, and empower for you to spread those knowledge within your company and with your friends, and also in the industry. Okay, before I start with my 2-hour presentation and deck. Okay, start guys Game na tayo. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed colleagues of Mars, and honored guests over here, sir, honored guests, on behalf of Information Security Officers Group, or what we call ISOG, I warmly welcome you to the ISOG Colloquium 2024. Thank you, guys. The past year has posed significant challenges for numerous Philippine enterprises, marked by a substantial increase in cyber attacks. A cybersecurity firm reported tripling of cyber attacks targeting Philippine businesses in 2022. Actually, there was a joke within the past years. Actually, it was last year. The target was before, there was fail-sys, diba? Even field data was a target because meron siyang field. Yun ang nakakatakot. Tinitira tayo ng other countries because of that. Kasi may field daw eh. Even Phil Collins was also was targeted kasi may field daw pangalan niya. Because kasi he's against all odds. Ayun dahil ng Phil Collins. Kung sino nakakalan ng kantang yun, alam niya dapat yun. Anyways, additionally, the Philippine National Police Anti-Cybercrime Group documented a notable 21.84% surge in cybercrime incidents from January to March 2024 compared to the fourth quarter of 2023. FYI, those were just reported. Hindi pa natin alam yung mga hindi pa reported. We don't know what is not yet reported yet. Because there's a 21.84% which is reported. The others we really don't know. These alarming statistics serve as a stark reminder of our critical role in the digital realm. As cybercriminals continually refine their tactics, it is really imperative for us as cybersecurity professionals to enhance our skills and strategies to safeguard our organization, our nation, our fellow Filipinos in the digital landscape. To strengthen our collective efforts, we are holding the ISOG Colloquium, an integral part of an annual I Am Secure cybersecurity campaign. This event serves as a cornerstone for ongoing education and professional advancement within our industry. We are given a rare privilege, access to an array of invaluable resources that can sharpen our proficiency as cybersecurity experts. We can learn more about cybersecurity topics, including safeguarding operations technology, or OT, industrial control system, the ICS, leveraging artificial intelligence, which is that's the AI. It's the new thing right now in the industry, especially on cybersecurity, to secure our enterprise information and communication technology, which is the ICT. And likewise, implementing AI-driven solutions for safeguarding the ICS and OT environments. Through each session today, we expand our knowledge and enhance our capabilities to navigate the intricate challenges of digital landscape. I encourage you to make the most of this opportunity to learn from white papers, presentations, and case studies available to you today. Together, we pave the path toward a more secure and resilient future in cybersecurity. I extend sincere gratitude to the Asian Institute of Management, AIM, for graciously allowing ISOG to have their colloquium at their esteemed conference and at center right now. AIM's commitment to empowering learners in rapidly evolving environments aligns seamlessly with our mission of professional development and lifelong learning. Your presence today, amidst your very, very busy schedule, I know, underscores your dedication and commitment as information security professionals. Through continuous learning, actually, you should develop a culture of continuous learning. With collaboration, we can stay ahead of the evolving cybersecurity landscape. Thank you for your dedication and for taking time to join us today. Let us seize this opportunity to grow, share knowledge, and strengthen our community. We trust that today's event will be both productive and meaningful for all attendees. This marks just the beginning of our colloquium series, and we eagerly anticipate continuing our journey together in September 5 for the next session. Again, thank you very much and have a wonderful day.